morning guys. So yesterday I got back from university, so it is almost 9 AM and I think I'm gonna start unpacking because we've got a lot to go through, and look, my room's really messy anyway. But yeah, I think I'm gonna unpack and try and settle back into the London life. See you in a bit. Here is my very neat packing. As you can tell, I really like the colour black. I don't really wear any bright colours at all, not at all. They're so long. It's actually aged 7 to 8. So, I am wearing this yellow top from Budapest, so it's from the airport in Hungary. This black roll neck from, I think it's from Boohoo. I got it like years ago. I'm wearing this pink cardigan that I got in a charity shop in Truro. These blue trousers from a shop in Southall. Black tights from M&S. Pink socks that I don't even remember where they're from. I've had them since I was basically born. This necklace that I made myself that says Henry VII on it, because I'm a Henry VII fan, if you didn't know. And earrings from the market in Falmouth. And yeah, that's the outfit. Woo hoo. Hello, good morning, welcome to day 2 of my weekly vlog. It is a Tuesday, it's Tuesday the 18th of December, and today I am going to my friend Cleaner's house. But yeah, so I just need to get ready and go. I've just had breakfast. I know it's the 18th, but I haven't done day 17, so chomp chomp chomp.
I'll fit.
With somebody who loves me.
Hello friends, so it is the 19th of December. I just thought I would update you on what's been going on. So yesterday I went out with my friends, that was really nice. It was the first time seeing our group since I came back from uni, and today I'm seeing more people, but until about 12 I'm gonna do some work because I've got an essay that's set this this Christmas that I need to get done, so I need to do lots of reading. So I will check in with you later. Love you, bye. Good morning. So, I mean, it's technically afternoon, but yeah, I'm just doing some work and then I'm seeing my friend and it's going to be a good day. I think we're going to go to Osley Park, so yes. Love you all.
Suddenly I saw a toad. Its name was Bob and it went hop hop and then it came over the road.
Good morning. I am walking to, I was going to say work, but that would be a lie and I don't have a job, so I'm not walking to work. I'm walking to the bus stop because I'm going into Ealing to do some work. I'm just walking home from being out all day. I've done some work, I saw my friend, and I'm going for dinner, and then I'm going out again. Hi guys, so I'm just making some vegan banana muffins. Got some butter in the microwave, just having a mix and match. It's going to be fun, it's going to be good. Ooh, hey. That's going in there. I'm going to my friend's Christmas dinner thing. So my friend Dan from uni got to get a train about 2 o'clock. It's about 10 AM now. So I just thought I'd make some muffins, which I don't think I've ever made muffins in my life, so let's see how this goes. So I've realised I'm making muffins, right? And these are definitely not as deep as a muffin's supposed to be. But we're just gonna try it out anyway. I never said I was a baker or a chef. Hey, so I thought I'd do a quick OOTD. I'm wearing those pink trousers that I showed you in the video earlier. I'm wearing this pink top that I got from a charity shop in the Isle of Wight, the black boohoo top again, and some Crocs. I'm just waiting for the muffins to be done, and yeah, I'm going to do some work. That's literally what this week has become. It's like, I'm going to do some work. What am I going to do? Some work. I might actually have to change my essay question, which is a lit time, but yeah, I'll show you when the muffins are done. I think they're going to be done in like 5 minutes. But they look like they're rising, and that's good. So hopefully they're not going to overflow. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Bye! I'm trying to walk, but I have such bad pins and needles on my left foot. Oh dear, oh. Hello, I just thought I'd quickly talk to you about the work I'm actually doing. I'm writing an essay, and I feel like I'm showing you guys so much of me working that I might as well actually talk about what I'm doing. So we've been set this essay, which is 1,000 words, and we're allowed to write it on anything that we want it to be about. So we're literally just given like a word count. We haven't been given a title, we haven't been given a topic, we haven't been given anything. It's literally like, write an 1,000-word essay on whatever you want. I do history, so it has to be obviously historical, but like everything is history. Like after having a little wiggle around, I decided that I wanted to do mine on slave rebellion, but like specifically on women in slave rebellion. There's a sort of quite unknown rebellion called like the Insurgency and Conspiracy of La Escalera, which is, it's in Cuba, and basically it's when these slaves rise up against the Cuban authorities and like the Spanish colonial settlers and the plantation owners, and it's a sort of lots of series of slave rebellions in different parts of Cuba, and it doesn't really formulate to anything, and it results in this horrible wave of repression, which is this sort of La Escalera. Hey, about to go out, but I just need to wrap this present because I'm doing Secret Santa. So I bought this musical band set from Argos.